Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Tolan alien Bestfriend how to draw. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To draw Tolan alien Bestfriend, you'll want to focus on the friendly approachable nature of the character. So first head over and open up your Tolan app, and then once you are here, what you need to do is start with the head. Begin by drawing an oval or slightly triangular shape for the head. Tolan aliens often have elongated slightly angular heads, so try making it a bit weirder at the top and narrowing it forward. Then step 2 is to draw eyes. The eyes of Tolan aliens are typically quite large and prominent. To make it look friendly, draw 2 big oval eyes near the middle of the face. Then step 3 is nose and mouth. Tolan aliens generally have very small or even no visible nose. Draw a subtle indentation or a small line for the nose, keeping it minimal. Then step 4 is to add the ears or antenna. Then draw the body like slim and tall. And then step 6 is to add limbs and hands. Then add detailings and personality, and then finish it with the final touches. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.